For today's Tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to teach you how to glaze a pot with dipping glaze. This may be a little too big for the bucket of glaze, or if the glaze is a little bit too low to fully submerge. So first, you're going to set aside a couple of pitchers of whatever glaze you're going to use. It's always better to grab more than what you think you're going to need. And I'm going to run 2 yardsticks across my glaze bucket, flip it upside down. I did wax the bottom, and then I'm just slowly going to pour my first glaze on here. Now I'm doing our cobalt and pink. These are Clubhouse glazes, and luckily this is a really forgiving combo, so I can kind of overlap the cobalt and it's not really going to show. And then the next layer is pink, so I'm using the toilet brush to test our levels, and yep, it's not quite enough glaze for me to be able to fully submerge it, so I'm going to show you a different method. And instead of using yardsticks, we're going to dunk it. So I can't dunk it this way, it won't fit, so we're going to do it long ways. Luckily, since there's a hole, the glaze will go on the interior of this planter, which is kind of ideal. So I'm just going to dunk half of it, let it sort of dry, and then I'm going to flip it over, dunk the other half. And I do kind of overlap them, but again, this is a really forgiving combo. I'm going to patch the areas where I got it off. I'm going to wipe the bottom, and then I'm putting it in the kiln to fire it. And then once it comes out, we can see it is a gorgeous glaze combo. Beautiful method. Love to see it.